Okay. See Lindelof videos, finding the area of the sector of a circle. I did the last videos, I did it in radian angular measure. This one I'm going to do it in degrees. This is going to be a super quick video. They all work the same, plus or minus. So this should be really pretty straightforward. So let's see if we can keep this under 3 minutes. Ready, go. So you're supposed to find the area of the area in bold. So the area in bold is this one, just to be clear. It's this area right here. And as you can see by this, we don't get the whole circle. So we're going to use area of a circle formula, but we're going to have to make a slight change. So this is the area that we're looking for in here, right? And the area up here, we don't get that. So let's see how we're going to do this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the area of a circle formula. However, after that, I'm going to have to find the percent that we get. What percent of the circle do we get? The percent we get. So we have, so here we're going to end up with pi. R is 3. This is our radius right here, obviously. R squared times, so what is the percent we get? So I was just figuring this out. I was using my calculator. I was like, crap, it's like 41.6 whatever percent. That's not cool. So instead, I did this a little bit differently. Now, I think you'll see that it works out much better this way. So what I did was I figured this. I figured that we get 360 degrees if I had the whole circle, right? If I open this, and I know I'm preaching to the choir, I know you know this, but if I took this whole angle, I'd get 360 degrees. So that's this here. If I had the whole angle, I'd have 360 degrees. But what part of that of the 360 do I have? I have 150 degrees of it, right? So we can clean this up a little bit. We have 3 squared is 9, so we have 9 pi times. But I wouldn't change this, and the reason that this is really important, that the reason that I would not simplify or estimate this by itself is very simple, and that is that you don't want to do intermediate rounding. If you're going to round at the very, very end. So what I did was I used a calculator, and this is what I got. So here's exactly what we have here, isn't it? Here's my pi r squared times. But when I did that, see there, this piece of our answer is perfect. There's no rounding here. There's no rounding at all here, and we get this answer of 11.78, and your professor or your teacher will tell you how he or she wants that rounded. I'm going to round it out to the hundredths place, so I'm going to say the answer is 11.78. All right, but remember, because of that, I have to say this is my estimated answer, about equal to that, right? And it's, what is it, meters, so it would be meters squared. We good? Okay, you guys. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope I didn't take too much time. Questions or comments, let me know, especially if I made a mistake. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Help a brother out. Appreciate you.